What if I told you the secret to a strong mind, a powerful body, and a long life starts with what's on your plate? From pregnancy to old age, your diet isn't just fuel, it's the blueprint of your future. Let's break it down as we explore nutrition throughout the life. Some people need a certain kind of diet due to the state they are in, requiring more of a particular nutrient. The first group is a pregnant woman. During pregnancy, a woman's nutritional needs undergo significant changes to support not only her own health, but also the proper development of the growing fetus. A pregnant woman needs more iron, vitamin B, especially folic acid, and proteins. Iron plays an important role in pregnancy as it is essential for blood formation. Vitamin B, particularly folic acid, is of utmost importance during early fetal development. Adequate folic acid intake helps prevent neural tube defects and promotes the healthy development of the baby's brain and spinal cord. Proteins are another critical component of a pregnant woman's diet, as they are essential for the growth and development of the fetus. Challenge number 1. Can you name one food high in iron, one high in folic acid, and one rich in protein? Pause the video, list them in the comments, and resume to see if you're right. The second group is a lactating woman. Lactation, or breastfeeding, is a demanding phase during which a woman's body expends significant energy and nutrients to produce nourishing breast milk for her infant. A lactating woman needs a balanced diet with sufficient amounts of proteins, vitamins, calcium, and lots of fluids. Proteins play a crucial role in a lactating woman's diet as they are the building blocks for breast milk production. Vitamins are also vital during lactation, with particular emphasis on vitamin D. Calcium is another essential nutrient, as it supports bone health for both the lactating mother and the growing infant. Fluid intake is critical for a lactating woman due to the fluid nature of breast milk. Challenge number 2. How many glasses of water should a lactating woman drink daily? Write your guess in the comments. The third group is a preschooler, a stage in a child's life characterized by rapid physical and cognitive development. A preschooler needs a balanced diet with sufficient proteins, calcium, vitamin D, and iron. Proteins play a vital role in the diet of a preschooler as they are essential for the rapid tissue growth that occurs during this stage. Calcium and vitamin D are crucial for bone formation and strengthening. Iron is another key nutrient needed for preschoolers. Iron is essential for blood formation, supporting the production of hemoglobin and preventing conditions like iron deficiency anemia. Challenge number 3. What's the best way to sneak veggies into a picky eater's diet? Share your hacks below. The fourth group is an adolescent, an important stage marked by the onset of puberty, which brings about significant physical and hormonal changes. An adolescent needs sufficient proteins, calcium, vitamin D, and iron. Proteins play a central role in an adolescent's diet as they are essential for the growth and development of body tissues. Calcium and vitamin D are vital nutrients for adolescents, particularly for the development of strong and healthy bones. Iron is another critical component of an adolescent's nutritional needs. Iron is essential for blood formation, supporting the increased blood volume that accompanies growth spurts. Challenge number 4. Can you name one food that contains both calcium and vitamin D? Thumbs up if it's a snack an adolescent would actually eat. The fifth kind is older people. Aging brings about changes in the body, including a decrease in the efficiency of various bodily functions and alterations in the composition of body tissues. Older people need a balanced diet with sufficient proteins, calcium, and vitamin D. Proteins remain crucial for older individuals, as they play a crucial role in body tissue repair. Calcium and vitamin D continue to be vital nutrients for older people, primarily for the maintenance of strong and healthy bones. Hydration is another critical aspect of nutrition for older individuals, as aging can lead to a reduced sense of thirst and a higher susceptibility to dehydration. Challenge number 5. What's one lifestyle change that can help maintain bone density in older adults? Hint: it's not just about food. The sixth group is a sportsman, encompassing individuals engaged in various physical activities and intensive workouts. These group of people require more proteins, carbohydrates, calcium, and lots of fluid. Proteins play a critical role in the diet of sportsmen, serving as the building blocks for tissue growth and repair. Carbohydrates are a primary energy source for the body, and sportsmen often have higher energy demands due to the intensity and duration of their workouts. Calcium remains important for sportsmen, contributing to the maintenance of strong bones. Hydration is crucial for sportsmen due to the substantial fluid loss through sweating and increased urination during physical activity. Challenge number 6. Which nutrient is the MVP for post-workout recovery? Drop your guess in the comments. To recap, Some people need a certain kind of diet due to the state they are in. These groups include a pregnant woman who needs more iron, folic acid, and proteins. The second group is a lactating woman who needs sufficient proteins, vitamins, calcium, and a lot of fluid. The third group is a preschooler, a growing child needing sufficient proteins, calcium, vitamin D, and iron. The fourth group is an adolescent requiring sufficient proteins, calcium, vitamin D, and iron. The fifth group is older people needing sufficient proteins, calcium, and vitamin D. The sixth group is a sportsman needing more proteins, carbohydrates, calcium, and a lot of fluid. Challenge number 7. Which nutrient was mentioned the most? Iron, protein, or calcium? Write your answer below. Nutrition isn't just about eating. It's about feeding life at every stage. From a baby's first heartbeat to an athlete's final sprint, every nutrient is a step toward unlocking human potential. So, what's on your plate? Now that you know how nutrition fuels every stage of life, we'll explore the diseases associated with nutritional deficiency in the next video.